Hi everyone, welcome back to my latest video. In this video, I'm going to give a small demo how you can use n8n to build a ink display kind of thing for your Raspberry Pi, right? So in this video, I'm not showing you the actual Raspberry Pi device. What you are looking at is Raspbian OS running on my Hyper-V, right? Hyper-V is a hypervisor available on Windows workstation. So I'm running that hypervisor on that. On top of that, I'm running Raspbian OS to simulate Raspberry Pi device, right? So if you have a Raspberry Pi device with ink display, you can produce a similar output, right? And why n8n? N8n is basically doing your actual fetching of your data securely from OpenWeather API, right? And I'm using basic HTML, CSS, JavaScript to render this display, right? And the theme is ink display. You might have heard of ink display, uh, which is which actually conserves energy, and if it is running on battery, it consumes less battery. So that was about the display. So let me exit of the full screen. Okay, so you can see this is a Raspbian OS that I am running on my Hyper-V. Okay, let me go to the n8n workflow now. So this is the n8n workflow. You can see it is very basic. Your trigger is a webhook, right? And we are using OpenWeatherMap API. So it is very easy to configure. All you need to do is you need to put your API key here, and that's it. And it will be ready to use. And you can put your city name, whatever. You can keep this dynamic also. So whichever way it suits your need, right? And that's it. And you're doing a respond to webhook, all right? So your front end UI will be sending a request to webhook, and webhook will listen, and that will send to OpenWeatherMap API, and it will send back you the response received, right? And this is the desktop version of the same app that you saw on the Raspbian OS, right? And I've included the dark light theme also. You can put in light theme, right? This will look the same on the Raspbian device. So if I do the toggle the dark to light, it will appear like that. So you can definitely try this idea for your Raspberry device, and I hope you would have liked this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.